Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Kristen, and today I'm doing a little bit different video on my channel. So it's still a DIY, you guys, but it's not like what I normally do. So my daughter's 4th birthday just passed, and I thought, why not show you guys me baking a cake for inexpensive, also decorating with Dollar Tree items. And I always do a birthday table for my girls for their birthdays. Nothing like super big, but I love just decorating a wall and a table in our house. And this is like the first year I've actually baked Presley a cake. Last year for Scarlett's birthday, that was the first cake I baked. Usually I just buy them because I am no cake decorator. But I just want to show you guys what I did, and I'm so excited to show you. So let's just jump right in. So for the cake, I'm going to be using 2 boxes of this Pillsbury Funfetti, 2 fluffy frostings in the marshmallow vanilla marshmallow, so good. And then a ton of candy from the Dollar Tree. You're going to notice that I'm making a candy cake. I did not use all of these candies, and I did use some different ones I did not show. So I did have Presley help me because we've been talking about baking her a cake for her birthday for the last few months. That's what she wanted to do, so that is what we did. So I let her dump all the ingredients in here, and then she loves cracking eggs, so I also let her do a few of those as well. And she's actually really, really good. Besides, I think the first one, half of the eggshell dumped in. And that one right there, she's like, oh no. Oh, this was so fun. I think this is a really cute tradition to do with your kids, although this is the first year we have done this.
That's my cake.
And once all the ingredients were in, I always like to throw in a little bit of extra oil because it makes the cake way more moist, which I do not like that word, but it does make it more moist. And I just set the oven for 350 degrees, spray these little bad boys down. I'm using round cake pans. I think these are 8-inch. And I'm going to be doing 3 layers. So this is only the second time I've ever done this. So I am not a cake whiz or decorator. I don't actually know what I'm doing. Like you said, the ending is not as perfect as I hoped it would be, but Presley absolutely loved it. And that was the only thing that mattered.
To say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside, baby.
And then once the cakes were done, like I said, I did 3 of these round cakes, and I'm just cutting off all of the bumpy parts. I don't know. I don't even really know how to explain this. This is so funny that I'm actually doing a cake video. I'm kind of laughing at myself right now for doing this, but I'm just kind of trying to make them as even as possible, although that wasn't the case. I think I was supposed to flip the other one the opposite way from what I was reading after I already baked the cake. Regardless, like I said, it was just doing this for fun, and I just wanted to show you guys like a fun little way that we decorated for Presley's birthday on a budget. We don't technically have a budget, but it is always nice just being able to decorate for your child's birthday without spending a lot of money. And then I wanted to do some food coloring, so I did 1 drop of red food coloring, or 2 drops maybe, and then 2 drops of blue and 2 drops of red because I was going to do 2 different colors of frosting on the cake. I wanted to do like a lavender color, and then I also wanted to do pink. This, like I said, this doesn't have to be super perfect. I ended up wiping like the bottom off once I was finished, but this was really easy to do. And you guys, if you have not tried the vanilla marshmallow frosting, you have to. It is amazing. It's our favorite. It's like the only one we will eat like with a box cake.
Got it all figured out.
And then also to get the cakes to stick together, I just put a layer of frosting in between every single cake. And when you cut it open, it just made it so much better. Like it was amazing. Like that was probably the best part of the cake. It tasted absolutely amazing. Although I think the one cake, I got a new oven, a new stove, new oven. So I wasn't sure what the temperature I should put it on, because if you get a new stove, sometimes you should like take it out 5 minutes early. My other stove was like exact, or my oven, sorry, was like exact. So if it said 32 minutes on the box, you put it in for 32 minutes on the box, and it turned out perfect. This new stove or new oven, I probably should have like took these out like 5 or 6 minutes earlier. But like I said, it turned out amazing regardless. This is just the pink frosting, and I was so lucky in the end because I actually ran out of frosting at the very, very end. I had a very little bit left just in case. And there was holes in the edges. Like I said, it wasn't perfect, but I just used as much frosting as I could to cover those up. This cake topper from Smash Cakes on Etsy, and I thought this was so cute because she wanted to have a unicorn theme birthday party. And I just have one of these sugar cones. I added a little bit of frosting on the inside, and I'm just going to be dumping sprinkles inside of here and having it overflow over the cake. So that is what I'm going to be doing next. The sprinkles actually came from Aldi, and they were like $2 and some change. I thought was a really good deal for sprinkles because I was looking for cute, fun sprinkles online, and I found a ton, but they were so expensive. And even the ones at Walmart were a little bit more pricier than the ones from Aldi. And I picked out all the yellow ones because I only wanted blue and pink sprinkles. And I don't know why, because eventually I ended up using yellow decor or yellow candy on this anyways. I kind of had some inspiration from Brittany Boren Leach. She did one of these for her daughter or her stepdaughter a couple years ago or a year or so ago. I kind of switched it up just a little bit because I kind of ended up just like leaving one side, no sprinkles, no candy. You're going to see I added like marshmallows and stuff, but I just did not think it looked right. I did not like it. And then some people just don't like to eat candy and caked with stuff like that anyways on their cakes. So this is what it kind of looked like. Like I said, I ended up taking it off, and then this is what it looks like when it's all done. Presley absolutely loved this. I did kind of end up switching the frosting, like making it a little bit smoother, but I just love the way this looks. I think it was so stinking cute for her 4th birthday. Okay, so this is what we have for decorations. So these all came from the Dollar Tree. They had some really cute unicorn stuff, so I picked up almost everything from there. And then we also grabbed some things from Walmart that were pretty inexpensive. Actually, this is from Dollar Tree too, and so are these. And then they had these cute like rainbow balloons for $1.50 on clearance, which I thought was a great deal. And they also have unicorn stuff at Walmart, and I think it's only 98 cents, so it's even a little bit cheaper, but I thought these were just really cute. And then this is like our splurge because I think this was like $4.97, but and then balloons I think were 98 cents for 20 of them, and then the cute little rainbow birthday candle. And then this I reuse every single year. This is from the Dollar Tree, and then you don't have to rebuy little balloon holders. And then this is just a little prize for the table, a little JoJo prize. And then this is also being reused. I just saved this. And yeah, so that is all of our decorations, and we're gonna get started decorating. I'm gonna jump back in here to say I start off with the table and then I work my way onto the balloons and the wall. So this is what happened. We live about 20 or so minutes away from a Walmart, and Presley loved the unicorn balloon, and I was blowing it up with helium along with the cat one, and they both popped before I blew them all the way up. So we had to actually run to Walmart with like 3 hours total until her birthday party started. So I did not show everything all the way through of decorating it, but I did show you at the end, so you will see like how everything turned out. I love these little centerpieces, and normally they take forever to put together. I was thinking it was a sticker or of some sort, but no, it comes with 2 paper clips for a reason. Use them and it will hold the sides together to make a cute little centerpiece. And for $1, I just thought this was so stinking cute. And I don't ever know if you guys feel like sometimes birthday decorations are like a waste of money or not, but sometimes they are. But like I always try to think like it was $1, it was $5, it turned out great, my daughter loved it, and that's what I try to go about doing. Scarlett handed me the presents so I could get them set up on the table, and the 2 girls were super great helpers through all of this. This is always our big purchase is a helium tank to blow up balloons, and I am so glad I bought this when I did, because I actually went to the Dollar Tree when we went to Walmart and they had no balloons at all, like not one. So this is how her cute little birthday table set up is. I thought that was so stinking cute. She had a great birthday. It turned out so good. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below. And Presley had a wonderful, wonderful unicorn birthday party. And I just absolutely love the colors. I love the way her cake turned out. I love the way her table turned out. And she was one happy 4-year-old. But that is it for the video, you guys. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
I shiver inside, doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my pants, now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah.
Day 2.